I just want to try this road because the one on the bottom is so bad. This one is a little bit better with the sand in some places, but отгоре е много приятно. It is so nice here. You can see Dima down on the bottom. I just took this alternative road because it is actually smoother. Oh, good. This was nice. It is much better here now, so we can have some speed. Един от коланиците от Копчан. Не. So this is Dima riding now. We have a nice section so we can have some speed. Dima, shake your hands. Say hello. Okay. Ah, look at this. Look at this view. It is amazing. So this is all for you guys. Baikal Lake. So this is the most interesting part from our trip until this moment. So until now we've got every day so many kilometers and nothing, just straight roads. But here it's really nice. You can feel the energy already. So this is the most famous place of the world, something like the center of the energy. So the spiritual guys, shamans and some kind of monks from around the world are coming here often to recharge their batteries. Actually 2 days ago it was a big meeting here, but we missed it. Anyway, we're here now. I hope to recharge our batteries with a lot of energy for us and for our bikes to be possible to finish our trip. That's all for now. I hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe for a new video every week. Ride safe. Ciao.